You have a busy and stressful schedule, and you have high health aspirations. You want to feel better, have high performance, more fitness, mental clarity, resilience to stress in your life all day long. And yet you don't want to spend 3 hours a day in the kitchen building all kinds of nutritional concoctions to help accomplish that. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make 2 elixirs in about 2 minutes that will cover the full gamut of adaptogens and sources of nutrition for high performers like you. Let's do it. This is Christian Bates with Longevity Power, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that this cornerstone of my nutritional protocol is the Adaptogen Elixir. That is water with adaptogen extracts. These are different herbs and superfoods from around the world that impart all kinds of health qualities. They help your body, your cells, your brain adapt to stressors and shine and have high performance even in challenging situations. They're sources of trace but important nutrition, and I'm going to show you how to make something that's just so fast and easy and simple that you'll just want to make these things all the time, and they'll become an amazing just thing you can rely on in your life. But I don't want you to have to spend all day in the kitchen making them. That's why instead of a blender, which I usually use for making my elixirs, we're just going to shake them up in a mason jar, or if you have a shaker bottle, do that. I'm using a 1 quart mason jar, but I really like to hydrate with these, so if you have a bigger jar, use that too. We're starting with 3 cups of the purest water that you can get to make our morning concoction. Now this is going to have the more robust, energizing adaptogens that will carry you through your morning and afternoon. And I'm leaving a little space so that the water can shake up. These herbal extracts are water soluble, but they tend to clump or stay clumped when you stir them, but shaking them or blending them works great. This is longevity in a bottle. This covers all the bases. I mean, this is your most comprehensive source of the many adaptogens from around the world. Things like Stevia Extract and the medicinal mushrooms and all kinds of roots, barks, leaves, stems, and it even includes maca, but we're going to add some extra maca in the form of Maca Bliss. This is black maca dual extract powder. Very delicious, very potent version, completely different from any raw maca powder you've ever had before. This is great for mental clarity, and it's androgenic, so it's so good for, it's excellent in pre-workout. Oh, and we're going to add just a little bit of Stevia Extract. If you have a stevia sensitivity, unlike me, I have more of a stevia tolerance. Start with a little bit, but I gotta say that this Now brand Better Stevia is the most mellow flavored stevia I've ever had. So if normally you kind of feel like, oh, this stevia has a bitter licorice flavor, not so much with this one. And a little bit of salt. The salt will make the elixir a little more hydrating and bring out some of the sweet malty flavors of our adaptogenic herbs. Give it a nice shake. And all the saponins in here, which are actually medicinal compounds that help your cells thrive, they also create a nice foamy head, which is quite enjoyable. That's so delicious. The Maca Bliss really gives a nice malty flavor. I will actually usually add a little vanilla or some kind of flavored stevia extract to my elixirs to make them even more enjoyable, like a really fancy soda, or these are better than soda, clearly. All right, now we're going to do our evening elixir. So these more robust herbs are great, and you could take them in the evening, and even though they don't contain any caffeine and are not true stimulants, they're energizing and might keep you up. So to keep our nutrition going through the evening, let's do a more calming elixir that's going to use Pearl Beauty. Now, Pearl is just so calming. It's a natural bioavailable source of calcium, which is soothing to your whole system, and it has mucopolysaccharides, which are great for your gut and your tissues and immune system. This is an actual extract of pearls. Now, goji joy, this is an extract of goji berries. Now, unlike dried goji berries, which are like 50% fructose, a little too much sugar for my body, But in this extract powder, we remove most of the simple sugars, and we're left with the nutrition of goji. Now you can also add electrolyte powders, and a little lemon would make this like the ultimate goji pearl electrolyte lemonade. But we'll keep it a little simpler for today. Add a little salt and stevia. And did I add my stevia yet? I use so much stevia. There we go. Give it a shake. This is really going to quench your hydration before bed so that you feel like you don't have to drink so much water that you're having to pee at night. But it's still really important to stay hydrated while your body is restoring as you sleep. That's so nice. So quenching. So I made this video so that you would see how upping your nutrition game can be really simple and fast, and it doesn't have to be a giant methodical 3 hours a day in the kitchen thing. You can just add stuff in and make it really fun and delicious and convenient and hydrating and truly nourishing and comprehensive for your life. And I really hope that these tools can help you accomplish your things in your life that are really important to you, that your calling, your passions, or just your daily grind too. Also very helpful for helping you get through all the things that you don't want to do too. But this is so good for your brain that, I mean, this is definitely fuel for high performers like yourself. Let me know what kind of elixirs you like to make. These are just 4 of my longevity power products. There's more things that you could add to these. There are other extract powders out there that you can amend your elixirs with, and just always be experimenting and enjoying the process. I love adaptogens so much, and I really hope that having an adaptogen in a delicious elixir form will make you just as excited as I am. So please, in the comments section below, let me know what kind of elixirs you make. And if you have other ideas for your favorite morning and evening protocol, let us know. I'll see you next time.